Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint bullet points template and a PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. So let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is enter your image, which have to be this long in size. And you're gonna go to shapes and insert a rounded corner rectangle onto the picture. You're gonna remove its outline and change its color to white. Yeah, that will look better. So duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 3 times. Select all of these and distribute them horizontally and vertically. And you're gonna move them upwards like this. You're gonna go to and insert a text box on the rectangle. Let me just select it and move it onto the template right here. So let's zoom in. We're gonna write a number one in it, increase its size. And so I don't really like this font, so let's just change its font. I'm gonna try using different fonts, so this one looks nice. Let's increase its size and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D for laptop. We're going to duplicate it again and again about 4 times, and in each of them we're going to write 1, 2, 3, and 4. Place each of it onto the left side of the each of the rectangle, and there you go. This is how you're going to do it. Let me just adjust all of these. 2 goes into the second rectangle, and 3 goes into the third rectangle. And for the fourth one, I'm gonna move it into the fourth rectangle. Here you go. The next thing we're gonna do is select for the rectangle and then the letter, and we're gonna go to merge option and subtract the shapes. We're gonna repeat the process for each of the rectangle. First select the rectangle and then the 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Select all of it and press Ctrl plus G to group it. Next thing we're gonna do is go insert a text box from insert tab, and in there we're gonna write the title. So right here I'm gonna use sample text for now because I don't really have any title to use in this video, and it's just a title. This is just a tutorial video. So I'm gonna duplicate this and insert my text or whatever title or content text I want. Duplicate it and put each of them into each of the rectangle. And there you go. Select all of the templates and you're gonna do the same. First of all, you're gonna ungroup the entire shape and you're gonna insert your content text. Right now, I'm just gonna use sample lorem ipsum text. And I'm gonna paste it right here onto this rectangle and decrease its size that it fits into it. And for now, I don't really like this alignment, so I'm gonna use this alignment of this one. We're gonna duplicate it and again about 4 times and place each of them into each of the rectangle. Here you go. Now select all of the content that you ever made and press Ctrl plus G and put this onto the slide. We're gonna duplicate this template and we're gonna move it upwards so that only 2 bullet point is visible into that template. Something like this. And we're gonna duplicate this template again and move the picture upwards so that 3 is visible into the template. Duplicate it about a fourth time and we're gonna move the picture upwards that only 4 is visible into the template. This is how it looks. Be sure to adjust them or the template would turn out to be really nice. And the final step, we're going to move on to the final step, and that is we're going to select all of the templates and go to transitions and give them morph transition. So that's all for today in this video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my Pinterest link from the channel description, and meet you in another interesting video soon.